Good morning and welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to be busting out this gorgeous sunset eye. If you have not already watched some of my other tutorials, this is a place where anything and everything can happen. For example, I recorded this eye look yesterday, but Mercury didn't want it to happen. So here we are recording again. Before we get started, I want to introduce you to the real MVPs of this eye look. We have Optimistic, Fervent, Lively, and Alive. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Can I just tell you, this color is my everything. Everything, fall, winter, summer, spring, everything. We are going to be using these 4 shadow brushes. You've got your crease brush, your blending brush, your fluffy crease brush, and your cream shadow brush. You're gonna see me spraying my cream shadow brush with our Behold setting spray. This is going to intensify any pigmentations, especially on these gorgeous shimmers and metallics that I'm going to be using. Accent with a black liner because black never goes out of style. I'm going to be topping it with 4D and lash primer. My little bitty lashes ain't got nothing on this duo. Stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't. Go on over to my Instagram, go on over to my Facebook, go on over to my TikTok. Yes, 30 plus and I still gonna be on TikTok. I got Pinterest, you name it. I'm all over the world. But let's do the darn thing.